I love this shadow. Hi everyone, I'm Deja and I just got my May Glam Bag Plus, so let's go ahead and see what I got. All right, so first up we have this product from Sunday Riley, and it is the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. This is actually a skincare product, so I'm just going to apply it to the back of my hand to show you guys. You only need 1 to 3 pumps. It's basically like an exfoliator, but in a cream. All right, so next up we have some makeup brushes. You can never have too many. Makeup brushes are literally the best thing ever. Okay, so next up we have a product that is perfect for the summer because it's not only shimmery, but it also has sun protection in it. And that is the Super Goop Shimmer Shade with SPF 30 in the shade Golden Hour. Wow, I'm actually really surprised with how soft this product is. It's literally melting right into my skin, and it's giving like a really subtle glow, which is nice because no one wants to have glitter packed on them. Now I'm gonna apply some on my eyes, and I'm just gonna use my ring finger and dab it onto there a little bit. Right directly onto my eyelid. I love this shadow. It is the perfect shade. Like, I feel like this shade could work with every skin tone. And another cool thing about this product is you can use it before as an eyeshadow base, or you can just use it as your eyeshadow, which I actually just like it on its own. All right, so here we have the Girl Actic Skin Glow Duo in the shade Sunset. Wow, the consistency is crazy. So creamy. Okay, so first I'm going to take this pinker tone and use it as a highlight. And I personally like applying cream products using my fingers just because I feel like you can control the product a lot better. And this is blending into my skin so well. And I'm also gonna take some and apply it to my Cupid's bow and a little bit on my nose. And I'm also gonna take it and put it in the inner corners of my eyes. And our last product is going to be this lip paint from Tarte in the shade Choker. I've never felt any lipstick like this. It's so lightweight, so creamy, so smooth. And I also love the color. I feel like you could wear this literally with anything. All right guys, so this is the final look. I loved every single product that I received in my May Glam Bag Plus. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.